Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Hulu Error Code P-DEV301. So first of all, you need to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. Open up App Store on your device, and then tap on this search icon in the bottom right corner. Then search for the Hulu app, and if you see this update button right next to the app name, simply tap on it to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. This should fix Hulu Error Code P-DEV301, but if it doesn't, then you need to clear App Cache. Go to your device settings and then scroll all the way down to General and tap on it. Then tap on iPhone Storage. From here, search for the Hulu app and then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Offload App. Tap again to confirm. It'll take a bit for processing, and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app. This should fix Hulu Error Code P-DEV301, but if it doesn't, then open up the Hulu app on your device and tap on this profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here, you need to tap on this Help Center option. It'll take you to this screen. Over here, look for the live chat option to contact Hulu customer support officials. Once connected, briefly explain the issue to the Hulu app representative. You can type something along the lines of, "Hello team, I keep encountering error code P-DEV301 while trying to stream content on Hulu. I've already tried few troubleshooting options like restarting the app, rebooting my device, and checking my internet connection, but the error still persists. Could you please help me understand what might be causing this error and provide guidance on how to resolve it?" Hopefully, the Hulu app customer representative will help you fix Hulu Error Code P-DEV301. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.